Hi, morning viewer. Today I would like to show you what we are doing with our free-range chicken and feeding them with all the grasses and also get them to do the compost. What we have here, let me show you. Down here you see all these leftovers of the grasses, and what we get is the chicken feeling free, scratching around and eating what they could find on the ground. Here we have the rubbish from the kitchen, which is all the leftovers for the vegetable. As today is Sunday, we were preparing for our farm to table, and we have a lot of these freshly organic vegetables that comes out from the kitchen. And for us, this is a cyclic economy. We get the vegetable, we feed them to the chicken, and from the chicken we get the manure. What we do is, after time, we collect all this what is here and end up with a heap like this one. Every time they scratch this heap, it's better for us. They look for worm, so they are also doing a turning of the heap, and that way then it reduces our labor force in making compost, and they know the reward for them is all these grasses that can get. So we have about 4 of these compartments, and we are starting with one at a time. And when we are done here, this is already a fertile area where we remove all these plastics. My God, there are too many plastics here. And from this, we plant some of the vegetables. The kitchen people are not doing their job well because they bring you plastics. So this needs to be sorted again. The issue of plastic is an ongoing headache. As you can see here, Bangali, after putting out all this, but still you need to sort out and take the plastic out so that you don't choke this chicken with these plastic that are coming out. Nice pieces of papaya, nice pieces of jackfruit, nice pieces of chaya, and as fresh as it can be. You could imagine the eggs that this chicken will give us once they finish going through all these vegetables. Still also have our dogs around, and they are living together with the chicken, and they have no problem about it. Let me move out and show you other corners where what is left to grow. This one is reserved for cocoyam because it's a very shady place and the cocoyams like the shade, but these are reserved during the lean period when we don't have much grasses. The chicken like to have these cocoyams. If you let them in here, they will just go through all these cocoyams, and before you realize there's nothing. So here we cut these cocoyams and feed to them, so not very much allowing them to be in here, and because this area is a bit shady for growing other vegetable. Now let's move to the other plots. These are like 4 compartments that we are rotating for them to be used for growing other vegetables. This one here, as you can see, is full of spinach and pumpkins and a bit of a cassava. This has just been worked out by chicken, and now once you plant something, all things, they just grow out quite a lot. And when we are done with the other plots, there you can see the guard and cassava, and some papaya, and quite a lot of spinach. This could also be left like this. No chicken are allowed to go in here until they finish the other circle. This is what happened when they are all done, and we are waiting for a bit of a rain to come, and then we will be planting some stuff in here so that they will get whatever they need to grow. So we are going around in circle in all these plots, and then in the end we have a fertile place and also heaps of manure. Magali, hapa unataka kupanda nini hapa?
Hapa? Hapa mchicha maga nishatika ule mchicha kukata.
So there will be spinach here which will be planted. We will harvest much of it for our own other uses, but definitely a lot of it will also be for the chicken who are coming in. Na huku
ndo naendelea kung'oa nako majani hayo na pakuku yale marefu kule. Alafu akishakuwa sawa, kwa sababu sehemu hii hapa ndo kuna mchicha ambao tunakatakata kwa ajili ya kupeleka jikoni huko.
Okay.
Kwa hiyo naendelea na kipande kile nacho. Nichekiwa tayari na kanaweka mchicha hivyo hivyo.
Yeah, and very proud now our mango has also started producing. Embe zimeanza kumbe kidogo huko.
Hizi za msimu wa pili. Msimu wa kwanza ziliisha.
So now this is a December mango, and I hope this is a beautiful tasty mangoes that we'll also harvest within ourselves. Thank you, viewers. Next round we will come in when Magali is preparing that plot for planting, and you'll see what is happening and how the plants are growing within this chicken system. We call them the chicken tractors. We let them chicken be chicken and let them enjoy, and the benefit is massive. They give us those really tasty yellow yolk eggs without pressure, less disease infestation, and we are living in harmony with them. We also even have the 2 turkeys here who are enjoying the company of the chicken.